Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Eric Johnson Jr. and for those who haven't seen the channel before, I tried to do all things racing here, so feel free to hit that subscribe button down below if you guys like to see some more racing content. But really, this video is a pretty big deal for those who don't really follow our social media closely. We just had a really big announcement come out, and we are more than excited about it, but I'll go ahead and throw it in here just for those who haven't seen it.
Gentlemen, start your engine!
Door, quarter. Bumper, clear.
So as you can see there, we big announcement coming out, going super late model racing next year in 2022. I can't believe it. I mean, really. So we started, this whole journey about 3 years ago. Coming into the Baby Grands, we had no clue as a group what we really wanted to do, what our goals were. We just knew we wanted to go racing, and that was it. And so many people have given me so many incredible opportunities. Between the ARCA stuff, Pro Drive at PIR, the Lemons group with Chuck and them, are close friends with that series, all the people at South Sound, Sean Jones, the Presleys helping me out, having the support of my sponsors, Key Property Services, Valleyscapes Landscaping Solutions, my parents, my family, all the supporters who support us through social media. The list goes on and on if you can't tell, and it's just been the most humbling experience having all this support coming from so many different directions. And I hope I get the point across that we are so grateful for every single one of you that helped make this possible, because really, ever since I could speak, this has been a dream of mine, and it has been apparent to everyone that has been around me since I've grown up, and there is nothing that's changed about that. Every day I'm doing this, it is really a dream come true, so I just cannot be more excited for 2022. This video is going to be pretty big, probably multiple parts, but tonight I am packing. Sorry if I'm skipping over my words, it's been a long day, but tonight I am packing, getting ready to head to Montana because we are meeting a friend who has way more experience than this in the super lates than we do. And luckily they are willing to help us out, kind of get things going, because the chassis we have right now, most of the stuff we need is there besides the motor and tranny and driveline. So he's going to help us drop a motor in it, transmission, get some things fine-tuned in the setup for us for South Sound, and then we'll be ready to roll, hopefully for practice come next spring. So really getting ready to go, because my plan is to be up there for about 2 weeks or more if I have to, because not only am I getting help on my projects, I'm going to be there helping him on his projects. He's got quite a bit going on as well, trying to get some super lates ready for the next year as well. So we should be pretty busy. It's going to be pretty hectic and a big learning experience for myself. I'm really looking forward to it and getting down there, but I'm going to continue throwing my stuff together, and tomorrow's a big day. It's probably about 10 hours on the road from my house to there, and yeah, it should be interesting. In the middle of everything too, next weekend we fly out, both him and I, because we got to go to the ARCA event, and then we fly back to his place to keep going on our projects. So we definitely putting our heads down here, getting as much done as we can, but I just can't thank him enough, because really having some knowledge behind me going into this and not just going completely blind as I'm getting into a new series, it is going to be so helpful. But don't worry, for those who like our Baby Grand racing, before I move on to the next part, I do just want to stress we will be still racing that Baby Grand as usual. It may be on just a little bit smaller of a schedule, but we still plan on racing almost full time, or at least 3/4 of the season, trying to hit as many races as we can. So don't worry, we are all booked up for next season with all kinds of racing, and I hope you guys enjoy. But anyways, I'll shut up and let's get going. Well, just like that, I believe it is 11:30 there. And we are all packed, ready to go. I got some of my stuff down here as well. And yeah, we are ready to go. That is by far the most stuff I've ever packed to go on any kind of trip. But hey, we're ready. I think we roll out at like 6 in the morning, so gonna be early. I gotta jump in bed, get some sleep, because in about 5.5, 6 hours, we'll be jumping right back up and getting ready to roll. So we should need some caffeine, to say the least. But alrighty, until the morning. anyway.
That's fine. So you gotta give yourself some more slack on that oil.
I know, guys, I'm butting in, but as I sit here and edit this video, it is coming to an end, and I know that, and I just had to say this is only one day of the whole process, and I was so amazed to see how much we got done. Really, hearing that car fire up at the end of the day just makes me so much more excited to finally someday get back or get behind the wheel of this thing. It's just, oh, I can't express how much I am looking forward to that day. But really, I had to butt in here because I just could not end this without giving a huge thanks to both Travis and Amanda Sharp and Warren Simpson for all their help through this whole weekend and this whole process. I mean, it's hard to tell through the video because I don't have a lot of audio clips of us talking back and forth, but they were just so extremely patient through this whole process. And now that I'm home looking back on it, I can't express my gratitude enough to those guys, not only being patient and teaching me along the way, but Travis and Amanda housing me the whole time I'm there in Montana. I hope you guys know how much that meant, because really you guys made the whole process easier for somebody like me and somebody who you just met. It just means the world to see that you guys were willing to do that, so thank you. As far as the video goes, this is only the first day of 13 days of footage, and I'd hate to make you guys wait till the very end of once I got everything edited out to see the footage, so I'm getting this one out now. Expect multiple parts to come, but I really just wanted to give you guys a good little glimpse at the car and what's going on with it. It's looking 10 times better than it is at the end of this video, which is mind-blowing me to be able to even say, but so much of that has to do with that group I've already mentioned. So look forward to seeing that. There's definitely a lot of exciting things to come in the future. Later this fall, we have a lot of ideas going with the car, and we can't wait to share them with you guys as long as everything works out. So that'll be really exciting. Stay tuned. But as far as this video goes, I'm going to end it here. Feel free to hit that like button down below and hit the subscribe button if you want to see more of this kind of content. This is going to be a really fun journey to share with you guys, and I'm so pumped to show you all the steps along the way. So make sure you guys check out some further videos that are coming out in the future if you want to kind of see that and share that with me. But anyways, if you watched all the way through, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, guys, take it easy.